coming years at the Wales Audit Office, we want to unleash our full potential as a driver of change and improvement at the heart of public services and democratic accountability. We have 4 broad ambitions that we believe will enable us to do this. Firstly, to fully exploit our unique perspective, expertise and depth of insight. Second, to strengthen our position as an authoritative, trusted and independent voice. Third, to increase our visibility, influence and relevance. And fourth, to practice what we preach and be a model organisation for the public sector in Wales and beyond.
One of the ambitions we outline in the annual plan is to be a model organisation. But what does that mean in practice? Well, we must consistently practice what we preach. And that might mean making sure we've got good risk management policies, that we monitor the effectiveness of our committees and we have exemplary governance. Nevertheless, we will always be proportionate in how we address this. Clear and authentic leadership is another branch of this. We've really invested in our values and behaviours to create a healthy culture, and that will help the pace of decision making and equip us for change management. We want to empower people so that they come up with positive ideas for change and that we resource and manage that change well. These are some of the ways that I think we can further our journey to be a model organisation in the Welsh public sector and beyond.